Hello and welcome. I'm Jenny Hall. Thanks for joining me for another card making tutorial. Today I have a very simple, very quick idea to share with you. I'm going to make a little tiny bit of a fancy fold, and the stamp set I'm using is Layering Love. It's not a new stamp set, but it fits in perfectly with the design that I'll be creating. So to start off the project, I have a piece of really pretty DSP from Sweet Soiree, and I've cut that to layer onto a piece of Whisper White. Using the Lots of Labels dies, I've cut out with the largest, and I'm going to cut the same size through my card base. I wasn't sure that this many layers would go through the die cut at the same time, so that's why I chose to do it in two different cut steps instead of all at once. I don't want to distress my Big Shot machine. I'm going to adhere this directly down to the front of the card base, so now there is an open window on the front of the card, and I can feature some of the really gorgeous floral prints from Sweet Soiree. So this is all good in and of itself, being able to see through to the inside of the card, but I want to feature a sentiment. So using one of the smaller labels from Lots of Labels die, I'm going to silver emboss the sentiment that is long and narrow from Layering Love. That is one benefit of the Layering Love stamp set, is you can feature it with so many of our other products. And the new paper pairs very well with our existing stamps. One way you can get more mileage from your craft supplies. I chose to emboss in silver because there are silver accents on the paper. Keeping with the silver accents theme, this is the Berry Burst Metallic Trim Ribbon. I believe that's what it's called. There will be a product link in the video description. So I'm adhering that down to where it joins underneath the sentiment label. Very simple. I'm going to use some Stampin' Dimensionals to center into that back piece through the window. And then I've already pre-tied a ribbon that matches, that will attach to that front side piece of the card front. This is extremely simple, very, very fast, as you can see, and it's just a little something extra. I hope you've enjoyed this project, and I hope that you will shop now at jennystampsup.com for your crafting needs. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you in the next video.
Hi, my name is Trip. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.